You may already know that the course that you have already completed, the flagship 6-day course, is now being offered as a postgraduate diploma in Occlusion and Porcelain Veneers. This is the only qualification of its type that exists. That is why I urge you to consider upgrading your previous course, because what I've ensured is that the hours you have put in will go towards a diploma. What we need to do is we need to prove that you have a sufficient level of understanding through assessments, and we have to prove that you have the skills required to take on the qualification. We will not need any more clinical days. We are able to do this remotely. We will send you all the information, and there is, without a shadow of a doubt, the possibility of you gaining this qualification. Remember, you've already been through it, so you may as well get the qualification. We'll be able to guide you from beginning to end, and we'll be able to help you at every step of the way. Previous delegates have become part of the faculty and have become mentors. That opportunity exists for you as well. So what I would urge you to do is please click the links that are in the email, contact me or contact us. We have always been on hand after the course, and that's no different now. But now you get the qualification that you really deserve for the effort and the advanced skills that you now have. So please get in touch and we'll be able to help you get the postgraduate diploma in Occlusion and Porcelain Veneers.